Now we're in green zone. Greens means happy. Ever feel like your Mitsubishi Delica has a mind on its own? Well, it might just need a wheel alignment. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how I found a wheel alignment shop, what Mitsubishi Delica's manufacturer's wheel alignment specifications, and we will check the wheel alignment results, what we had before and after. Yeah, let's get started. How I found the wheel alignment shop. I looked online for wheel alignment near me. I got a list of the shops. Then I called a few shops and asked them a question: can you do the wheel alignment on my JDM right-hand drive Mitsubishi Delica? Most of them said no, we don't do that, we don't service JDMs, and a couple of them said yes, we do JDM, just bring vehicle manufacturer's recommended specifications for the wheel alignment and we'll do it for you. Integra Tire said yes, we do Delica's wheel alignments, bring it up. Vehicle Mitsubishi Delica 1994 4x4 PEAW model. As usual, you probably know three main key wheel alignment measurements. It's our toe, camber, and caster. Service specifications for Mitsubishi Delica L400. That's right, toe angle per wheel 0 degrees plus minus 7 minutes. This is our toe. Let's check our alignment results. Left side, right side, before we were at 0 and we stayed at 0. Nothing changed, we were in specs. And on the right, we were 2 seconds off, which is in specs, and they tuned it up to 0 degrees. Beautiful. This is our toe. Let's get to camber. Four-wheel drive, camber standard value minus 20 minutes, plus minus 30, difference between left and right within 30 minutes. Left side wheel, camber was pretty off, lots, minus 1.15 degrees, 1 degree and 15 minutes, and they set it to minus 30 minutes. We're in specs, look at that, and we're going to the right side and we were minus 0.95 degrees, 95 minutes, and we were set to minus 35 minutes. Look at that, camber. That's what we have. Now we're in green zone. Greens means happy. Red is unhappy, angry, off the values. Okay, going to caster, see what we have. Also called a laden, for our two-wheel drive Mitsubishi Delica is 4 degrees, 6 minutes, 6 seconds, pardon me, plus minus 30 minutes between right and left within 30 minutes. That's what we have. As our recommended value. Caster 4 degrees 6 seconds plus minus 30 minutes, difference between right and left within 30 minutes. Our caster, let's get back to our values. Results, we have after and before we were positive 5.5 degrees caster, and after the adjustments we're at 3.7 degrees. All right, and let's get to the right. Was at 6.6 degrees, positive caster, pretty off, a little bit less than left, and we were set at 3.8, 3.7 on the left, happy. Green means we're in specs, and red, we're for pulling to one side. Yep. On Mitsubishi Delica, there is no rear wheels, any adjustments. Everything stays the same. Vehicle has a solid axle. Over here, some definitions on the bottom of the report. Appreciated your time, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please go and do that. Thank you. And if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, please put everything down in the comment section below under the video. And I have another interesting video for you to watch. No more Delica projects. Check it out. Take care, everyone, and bye now.